Okay, so we are finding letter wow. So something very important about the wow. And when I tell you this, Ashley, you might change your options or you might change whatever you circled. Okay. Wow can never join from its end tip. No, no, no. So if you ever see a wow connected with its end tip, that means it's not wow. Wow can never have a dot. Okay. Okay. Maddie, do you see a wow?
Hmm.
So go ahead, Maddie. I see wow in your area.
The
Okay.
first, the first one, where
Yeah, the first. So,
here?
yeah, so Maddie, the
I
first
see
two
the
lines
wow
are
here.
that's a wow. Good job. Good job.
Um,
Yeah.
and
Okay. So it can have anything on its head, but not a dot. Okay. So go ahead. It can have a fatha, it can have a shadda, it can have anything but not a dot. Go ahead, Ashley. Yes, Ashley. Good job, Ashley. That is a wow. Good job.
I think that's the only one because I had those other ones circled, but they had dots on top. Or no, I'm sorry, they were connected.
Very
So
good.
I took them
Okay.
off.
So yes, the only this is the only one there. You are correct. Okay. So for Ashley, let's go, Ashley. Yes, Ashley, you have one wow. I'm still going to check. Is there any other wow? Is there any other wow? Guess what? There is no other wow. This is not wow because it has this dot on its head. It says letter fa, and if wow can never connect from its end tip. So yes, you are good. Let's go. Maddie, this is wow. Good job. This cannot be wow. Two dots.
oh,
No.
that one wasn't circled. I just made my
Yeah, yeah.
circle
I
too
can
big.
understand. I can understand. You only circle this one. And this one, I'm just telling it for everybody else that this is wow,
Okay.
yes. And this cannot be wow because wow can never have dots and wow can never connect. Good job. Okay, Maddie, your next line has two wows. Get them before I get them.
Oh,
I'm coming.
oh, um,
Yeah.
uh,
Yes, this one. This, yes, good job.
I
Wow.
think that's all. Yeah, that's all.
Good job. Good job. Yes. It's okay if it has a fatha dhamma kasra, if it has a shadda, but the dots should never be there. The dots should never be there and they should never be connected. Okay, yes. So that's the wow. Wow, wow, and wow. Okay, good. This one. Okay, good job. So we are good with the wow. Okay, let's go see letter ha. Now the ha is going to be so tricky. We are going to keep practicing the ha because the ha can do very amazing stuff. The ha can hide with two eyes. The ha can also hide with one eye. And if it's with one eye, it's going to kind of look something like this. Okay, something like this. Or maybe a little stretched. Okay, and let's go find, or maybe a little stretched like that. Okay, and let's go find it. Okay, so the main thing is sometimes two eyes, sometimes one eye. So I am going to find it first for you people. Okay, let's go. Let's go and find letter ha. Okay, so if I look in the first line, so I'm going to just let you. This is the original shape, letter ha, original shape, and this ha is more like the sound is more in like the vibration one. Ha. Okay, if I'm trying to find letter ha, let's go, let's go. Is this letter ha? Yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
Good job. That was the one of the easiest tasks. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. No ha in here. Okay, let's go. Let's. Is this letter ha?
No.
No, trick question. This is not letter ha. This is letter ha, but not letter ha. Okay, good. I was trying to trick you people here. Okay, uh, okay, this is letter ha with one eye. Okay, So sometimes two eyes, sometimes one eye. Whenever a ha now is at the end of chunk of letters, I call the ba and the ha are right now chunk of letters. So whenever the ha is at the end, the ha loses an eye. That's how I say the ha. Whenever the ha is at the end, it loses an eye. There's another ha coming. When it comes, you need to tell me. Ah, good job. That's a ha. So if it's one eye ha, it gotta be the end one. This is chunk of two letters. That's a ha. How about this one? Yes. So in the beginning, two dots. Okay. And when it's in the beginning, two eyes. When it's at the end, I just say it gets tired and loses an eye. Two eyes. Now, chunk of letters, if I say chunk of letters, I'm not calling alif. This is the chunk, the letters that are stuck together. In this chunk, there are four letters. Ha is the one in the first place. Ha, two eyes. Hey, this time the chunk of four letters, ha is in kind of in the middle, two eyes. Okay, but did you see this ha looks different? This ha and this ha look different. So two eyes, two eyes. Let the eyes be vertically or horizontally. You know, they're laying down, they're up, they're down. But two eyes, two eyes, two eyes. It is definitely letter ha. Now you only know two eyes, one eye. Well, there are at least two more ways a ha can hide. Okay, so let's see. And it's not in every sheet. But let's see. Today we're talking about the more common shapes. Okay, when the ha comes, Fatima, when the ha comes, let me know. Oh, maybe you're muted.
Sorry, ha. Right.
Good job. Exactly. Fatima, when the ha comes, let me know.
Ha.
Excellent. Two eyes, two eyes. This is in the beginning. This is somewhere in the middle. They are two eyes, although they are kind of different. They look different, but the definition is two eyes, two eyes. Help me, Ashley. Where is ha?
Ha.
Excellent. Another ha?
Ha.
Okay, I just tricked you, and I am going to keep tricking you people. So let's go to our one eye ha. So one eye ha, where is a one eye ha? Okay, one eye ha. Let me go a little up. So that one eye ha, what's the difference between? I'm going to highlight them, okay? Because I'm going to keep tricking everybody. Okay, so this is one eye ha, and this is, if you think this is one eye ha, which a lot of my students think, there's one difference. This one has a tail. Okay, so if you have a tail, that's not ha. Okay, so we are talking about two eyes, no tail. We don't need a tail. This is another letter which we'll do, inshallah. Okay, so now we know that our ha has two eyes and one eye, but the eye should never have something else. Okay, so this is ha. Okay, so I'm going to quickly show you all the ha's in this sheet, but there are another two kinds of other ha's which we will do, inshallah. We will be doing next class. Excellent, mashallah. So ha, two eye ha, one eye ha. The ha which has one eye, the condition is it's always at the end of the chunk of letters. Two eye ha, it's always in the beginning. Okay, so these are basically is letter ha, its vibration sound. Okay, so today we were more after letter ha and after letter wow, but there are more shapes of ha which we are going to keep covering, inshallah.